good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, wherever you're listening to me from. As you might already know, my name is Adetola Freeman, and it's beautiful and lovely to have you guys join me here this afternoon. All right. So, without much ado, we're going to go right into what we're expecting um, from the non-farm payrolls and the employment data and the entire scope, all right, the entire spectrum of what we're expecting for today. All right, so if you look at the chart over here, you're going to see that this is the chart of the US dollar on the 5 minutes time frame. And but before I go into that, I'm going to quickly point out something. A lot of you guys, I've read your comments. I really do read your comments. All right, a lot of you guys have said, "Oh, you prefer the way that RJ trades." All right, because he gives you pending orders that you can easily place. All right, rather than just market orders and me just telling you, okay, buy at this point and sell at this point. Okay, so I'm going to quickly share something with you. The trading strategy that RJ uses is called the straddle trading strategy. And what it simply does is that, or what it simply means is that before the news, you mark out a support and a resistance, all right, that you expect price to break if it's really going to continue in that direction. Okay, so in this case, this is Euro USD. You can see that I have marked out the resistance. I have also marked out the support. All right, such that if price breaks the resistance, I have a stop limit, a sell stop limit below this resistance. All right, to sell. All right, because I believe that if price can break below this level, it's just going to sell all the way down. Okay, and then we have a buy stop limit at 1.09622, which means that if price can summon the sufficient liquidity to break above this level, it simply means that price is most likely going to continue all the way. All right, so this is what we call straddle trading strategy. It's not my usual or typical approach to the markets. All right, but what I'm going to try to do today, because I understand that a lot of you are more familiar with the way RJ trades. All right, so I'm going to try to replicate that. All right, but I'm also going to stick with my usual trading strategy, which is simply just looking at the US dollar and using the US dollar to decide whether the dollar is going to be weaker or stronger in correlation with what the market news is. All right, and if you've checked the forecast, all right, from the experts from the Bureau of Statistics, they have told us that the forecast right now, or their expectation right now, is that unemployment rates have shot up. All right, it has increased because right now we're seeing unemployment rate currently. Their expectation, or what they hope that it would be, is that they are seeing a rise in unemployment rate from 5.4% to 5.5%. All right, and a decline in average hourly earnings from 0.4% to 0.3%. So what this means is that for the unemployment rate, if we get a figure that is higher than 5.5%, then the dollar is absolutely going to be weaker. Then for the average hourly earnings, if we get a figure that is below 0.3%, it means that the dollar has been confirmed by that data to also be weaker. All right, and if the non-farm employment change comes out to be lower than 203,000, all right, or between 203,000 to $209,000, that simply means that the dollar is confirmed to be weaker. All right, personally, my bias is that we're going to get to see a weaker dollar, and that's based on, you know, pure technical analysis. All right, you can see we have this trend line here. Price is reacting from that trend line at the moment. And it's not just that trend line. We have that trend line. We also have the 61.8 Fibonacci, all right, of this movement. All right, so altogether, all in all, I am personally expecting that we're going to get a weaker dollar, okay? But that's just me, all right? We're going to still wait for the market to present us, a validation for that argument. Is it going to be weaker? Is it going to be stronger? What exactly is the forecast or the outcome going to be? Okay, so that is what we're looking at right now, okay? So I also want to quickly point out something. For those of you who are joining me for the first time, if you're not on our Telegram channel, please do join the Telegram channel for daily market analysis, market news, market tips. We do our best to provide you with, all of the best things that you can follow through. Okay, so let's go back to the market charts. On the Euro USD, okay, we have a buy stop limit at 1.09622. All right, that is our buy stop limit on Euro USD. And our sell stop limit is at 1.09303. All right, 1.09303 is our sell stop limit on Euro USD. GBP USD, our buy stop limit is 1.27091. All right, that's our buy stop limit, 1.27091. And our sell stop limit is at 1.26790. 1.26790 is our sell stop limit on GBP USD rather. Then for gold, all right, gold was a little bit tricky, but this is what we're going to be doing. For gold, our buy stop limit is 1938.44, okay, and our sell stop limit is at 1929.26. All right, so we have our sell stop limit, we have our buy stop limit, and all we're going to be doing is waiting to see how the market plays out on the US dollar. Okay, so if the US dollar from this time frame continues, just going lower and lower after the news release, all right, if we get to see it spike lower and lower, it simply means that you can delete your sell stop orders and simply just leave the buy stop orders. All right, so if the dollar continues to grow weaker, then you go back to your chart, you delete the sell stop orders, because it simply means that GBP USD, Euro USD, and gold are going to be bullish. Okay, and if the reverse is the case, if we get to see the dollar start to spike higher and higher, all right, once the news is released, it simply means that the best thing for you to do would be to delete your buy stop orders and leave only the sell stop orders. All right, and leave only the sell stop orders. So if you got this clearly, all right, if you got this clearly, please let me know. Stop limit orders are the same thing as buy stop and sell stop. All right, it's the same thing. Okay, so weaker dollar is simply going to make Euro USD bullish, all right, and GBP USD bullish, as well as gold. All right, so if the dollar comes out weaker, then gold should be stronger. Okay, and for those of you who are saying you miss RJ Austria, you really want him back, I also miss him too. All right, and I also want him back. Okay, but I'm as good as what you get for today. Okay, so you're just gonna have to stick with me, support me. All right, I hope that you guys do support me. Okay, so please, as you're watching this right now, I need you to give me as many likes as possible. All right, just click on the like button. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. All right, so while you're watching, please, I want you to start dropping the likes. All right, I want to start seeing as many likes as possible. All right, just start dropping the likes. Drop the likes. All right, not the love emojis, not the love icons. I really want you to like this broadcast. All right, click on the thumbs up button on your screen. All right, so let's go back to the charts once more. All right, like I said, if the dollar continues going down this way, it simply means we're buying gold, we're buying Euro USD, we're buying GBP USD, all the entire spectrum. All right, and that is if dollar continues dropping like this. So AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, XAU USD, all of them are going to be bullish. All right, but that is going to be dependent on the fact that we want to see whether or not gold is going, the dollar is going to continue weaker. All right, that's all we're waiting to see. Okay, so I'm trying to merge between my own approach, my style of correlational analysis, with RJ's straddle trading strategy. All right, to see how I can bring you guys value for today. Okay, so for gold, the buy stop is 1938.44. The sell stop is 1929.26. All right, so that is what we're looking at right now. Okay, so if you've not yet dropped a like, please drop a like. I want to see, just give me as much as 100 likes. All right, just 100 likes. We're currently about 493 on this live call. All right, so please, I want to see you drop some likes. Okay, drop some likes. All right, somebody's saying, what is the, yes, buy stop is the same thing as a buy stop limit. All right, so buy stop limit, just drop your buy stop. All right, So for those of you who are asking for the stop loss and take profits, the take profit is simply, we're going to look at the take profits together, all right? But your stop loss is, if you're buying, all right, if you're buying, your stop loss has to be the sell limit, okay? And if you're selling, your stop loss has to be the buy limit, okay? So if you're selling, your buy entry, your buy stop entry is your stop loss, and if you're selling, if you're buying, your sell stop limit is your stop loss. So it's as simple as that, okay? I just naturally assumed that you guys understood that already. So for me, it's not just about telling you what to do. It's also about me trying my best to also teach you guys and give you guys some hints, all right, on things that you can also learn for yourself and work with, okay, and work with. So for me, I've just majorly analyzed GBP USD, Euro USD, and gold, all right. But whatever is the outcome on all of this, you can also apply them on your other charts, all right. You can easily apply them on your other charts. So guys, that is what we're waiting for. So the news is going to be out in 5 minutes. Okay, it's going to be out in 5 minutes, and I just want to see how far this goes. Okay, I just want to see how far this goes. All right, the buy limit for GBP USD. Let's go there quickly. GBP USD, the buy limit is 1.27091. All right, 1.27091. And the sell limit is 1.26790. 1.26790. So we're still waiting to, we're still checking the US dollar here. All right, we still want to confirm whether we're going to get further drops or we're going to get a spike back up. All right, but as you can see, we already started off with that spike downwards. Okay, but we're going to wait and see if the outcome of the news leads to even further drop in the market. All right, so it's as simple as that. That's what we're looking out for. Okay, so if you're on this call right now and you have a question, all right, you can just quickly type your question. I have about 2 minutes to address your question. So if you have a question, please quickly drop it in the comment section and I'm going to address it ASAP. All right, stop limit price on GBP USD. Okay, I'm just going to stay on GBP USD, 1.27091 and 1.26790. So that's it. And these lines represent the take profit levels that we are going to be looking at. US dollar is represented as US dollar on the charts. You can easily, if you use the FBS terminal, you're going to see it US dollar. It's just there. Of course, it's the news, the outcome of the news, either positive or negative, that determines buy or sell. All right, and that's why we have all of these orders that we're expecting, that we're anticipating, all of them put in place, and we're just waiting for the news release. All right, I hope that's clear enough. All right, don't worry. For the take profits, we're going to look at the take profits together. All right, we're going to see the take profits together, but I just want you guys to, hold on. Don't be in a hurry. All right, just allow price play out itself. All right, and then we can start to talk about all of this. All right, the commodities that are, that are paired with the USD. All of them correlate to the US dollar. GBP USD, AUD USD, NZD USD, USD CHF, USD JPY. Um, um, which other one? USD CHF. You know, the entire spectrum, the entire class of commodities, they are all connected to the US dollar. All right. And many times the outcome on that will also influence the outcome on commodities like all right, Canadian dollar. All right, beautiful. We're seeing a kind of bullish spike on the dollar, but let's see if it lasts. So, as I said, this is dollar, all right, and it looks like the dollar is set to drop even further. All right, so we're looking at buys all through, buys all through. All right, our buy stop limit is active on Euro USD. All right, it's active on Euro USD. Let me show you where our TP1 is. This is our TP1. All right, to align with this eye. Okay, that's our TP1. This is our TP2 to align with this eye right here. And this is our TP3 to align with this eye right here. All right, this eye right here. So buy stop is active on Euro USD, is active on GBP USD. GBP USD is already at TP2, and this is our TP3 all the way up here. Our TP3 on GBP USD is 1.27485. 1.27485 is our TP2 or is our TP3 on GBP USD. All right, and gold, I think we should. All right, gold, we had the sell stop activated. It's ATP, but I didn't give that TP, so let's just hold on and see how this turns out. All right, but I think that, you know, I told you initially that if it drops, then we want to close our sell stop orders and just leave the buy stop orders. So this is GU. It's past our first TP, our second TP already. We're aiming for the third take profit. And this is EU. It's approaching our first take profit already. All right, it's approaching our first take profit already. So I want to believe that you guys are in profit right now. I want to believe that you guys are in profit at the moment. As you can see, the dollar has broken below that level. So that simply means that the confirmation is that we have a weaker dollar. All right, we have a weaker dollar. So we're buying gold, we're buying GU, we're buying Euro USD, AUD USD, NZD USD. We're buying the entire spectrum. All right, so let's see how this plays out. This is our TP1 on Euro USD. All right, price is almost there. Price is almost at our TP1. Price has passed our TP1 on GU. On gold, we've not activated the buy stop yet. All right, so let's see how all of this plays out. All right, so I hope you guys are making some money. All right, I really hope that you guys are making some money. This is GBP USD. All right, this is GBP USD. Okay, so let's see how that works. So this is Euro USD. Our buy stop limit is activated. Our stop loss is the position for the sell stop limit. All right, I'm sure that you guys remember that. And as you can see, the dollar has actually broken out of here, but it's currently retracing. But never mind, it's expected to still continue dropping. All right, that is what the figures suggest. Okay, beautiful. So like I told you that the NFP, if it comes out lower than expected, it simply means that the dollar is weaker. Unemployment rate actually came out pretty much as expected. All right, average hourly earnings is the same as last month, but NFP, the non-farm payrolls, is actually weaker than it was expected. All right, so we can naturally just expect that the dollar is going to be weaker. All right, so if you're making some money at the moment, can you please just drop a comment? Let me know that you're making some money. All right, I would love to get your comments. If you're making some money, please do let me know. All right, what we had on gold is actually a whipsaw movement. That's what we call a whipsaw movement. All right, it's really nothing serious to be bothered about. All right, but nonetheless, our bias is correct. All right, gold is dropping, dollar is dropping, gold is rising. All right, dollar is dropping. So all of our analysis are still on this on the same par. Is all right. So this is exactly what we're looking at. So guys, um, this is basically what we're looking at. All right. And in case you're wondering, okay, where our take profits, whether it's Euro USD, GBP USD, or the likes. All right. So this is TP1 on Euro USD. TP1 is 1.09860. TP1 on Euro USD is 1.09860. All right. GBP USD TP1 is 1.27227. TP2 is 1.27355. All right, and then TP3 is 1.27482. Okay, so those are the three take profits that we have in this case. All right, and for gold, once you enter the buy stop, once your buy stop is triggered, our TP1 is 1943.26. 1943.26. Okay, so that's what we're working with. All right, so I want to see your comments. I want to see what you guys have to say. Yes, this is Euro USD. It's bullish. This is GBP USD. It's bullish. Although it's retraced back to entries, but I strongly want you to know that it's going to go bullish. All right. And this is gold. It's also rising. Okay, so there's no need to panic. For those of you who are saying, oh, what's going on? What's happening? No need to panic. All right. This is the market direction, and I am pretty confident that it is going to play out in this exact manner. All right, somebody is saying that on gold, both sell and buy were activated. This is why I was telling you the other time, all right? I mentioned it when I started the stream, and I told you that when when dollar comes out strong, all right, I made it clear that if dollar comes out strong, the next thing to do would be that you delete your sell stop limits, your buy stop limits, all right, on Euro USD, GBP USD, and the likes, all right? I told you that, and I said that if the dollar comes out weaker, all right, you simply have to go back and delete your sell stop orders. All right, you go back and delete your sell stop orders. So it is as simple as that. Okay, now this is one of the reasons why I am not a dictator. All right, I'm a teacher, I'm a trainer. I prefer to give you the equipment, the tools to help you become successful. EU cannot be on a loss right now. All right, EU cannot be on a loss. I told you where the stop loss is. The stop loss for your buy orders is the sell stop entry. All right, so EU right now is still at our entry point, and like I told you, EU is going up. All right, I just told you not to panic. EU is going up. Just relax. All right, the reason why we are having this whipsaw movement is because, like I said, the unemployment figures and the non-farm payrolls are actually not tallying together. All right, so that short or that little discrepancy between the two figures is why we're seeing this whipsaw movement. But nonetheless, I am telling you that EU is bullish, GU is bullish, gold is bullish. All right. Oh, it was too fast. I'm sorry about that for those of you who got caught on gold. All right. So what you can do right now is, since gold is still ranging, all right, you can quickly delete the sell orders. All right, leave the buy order to run. Okay. For those of you that got caught on gold, all right, you can delete the sell orders, all right, and leave the buy orders to run. I hope we're making some progress here. Are we making progress, guys? Hello, guys. Are we making some progress? If you took the call, then you should be in profit right now. If you took that call, GU is almost at our TP1 again. All right, and this is gold. Our buy order is triggered. So like I told you, you can see dollar is actually weak. Dollar is actually weaker. All right, so guys, I think that at this point, if you maybe if you're on Euro USD and gold and GBP USD, all right, in the event that I am not here at the point, because this call is supposed to end in the next few minutes, all right, but in the event that, you're already in the trade, all right, so right now you can already place your break even, all right, you can place your break even. You can see this is gold, strongly bullish. You can see the momentum is really, 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 really wild. All right, GU has passed our TP1, GU is approaching our TP2, all right, and EU already is almost at our TP1. So, but I understand that humans are insatiable. There are still going to be some of you who are going to say a whole lot and say, oh, this guy, you're poor, there's this, is that, you didn't do well, all right. I know there's still going to be people like that. We're going to say that, okay, but what I'm simply going to say is, guys, please and please and please pay very good attention to knowledge. All right, pay good attention to knowledge. I don't know who it is that is saying that AUD USD is on a loss, but I don't think that is correct. This is AUD USD, and you should be in profit on AUD USD if you took that trade. If you say you lost $105 on gold, I'm trying to figure out how that happened. All right. If you were caught in the whipsaw, that's a different case, and that's why I said before before the buy order was activated, I told you delete the sell. All right, leave the buys to run, because the buys are actually going to run in deep profit. That was the clear instruction. This is GBP USD. It's already touched TP2 once more. This is Euro USD. We've already touched TP1 on Euro USD. All right, we're already at TP1 on Euro USD. And this is gold. Gold is approaching TP1. So for me, guys, I think that I have done quite well. All right. And I think that as a Forex trader, it's important that you understand that your own opinion is what's key. Praise what Zulu, you're saying you lost. I still don't understand. What did you lose and how did you come about that loss? All right, because there's so many people who are making profit on this call right now. There's so many people who are on this call right now and are making profit. And that's why I said that if your sell stop got activated because of the whiplash, because of the whipsaw, I made it clear. I said quickly delete the sell and leave the buy. You mentioned that both were activated, and that's a hedging trade. All right. So TP1 for gold is 1943.68. TP2 for gold is 1947.36. All right, so that's GU at our TP2 already activated. EU is almost at our TP2. So you see that there's a lot of goodies that is going around right now, and I really don't understand why some of you still have negative comments to offer about this. Wilbert, I still don't understand what you're saying. Wilbert, I gave 3 trades: gold, EU, GU. All 3 are in profit. Even if you lost on gold, like you said, you are making back profit on 2 other trades. All right, you're making profit on 2 other trades. So I'm trying to figure out what exactly the issue is here. All right. See, guys, I'm a very passionate person, and I love to be able to be sure that you guys are getting value. Okay? And that is why I try my best to give you what I believe is the best for you guys. Okay? So I don't see a reason why this has to, all right, EU has already hit our TP1. So like I'm saying, I don't see a reason why this has to, degrade into a trade of words, and you're saying, oh, this guy, you're a liar, you are this. I really don't appreciate such comments, all right? But like I said, I try my best to give you guys what it is that I am also trading, all right? I'm going to show you my trade history so you see that I have a buy order from here. You can see the arrow. I have a buy order from this point that I have not yet closed, and that order has been active since yesterday, all right? Since as far back as yesterday, you can see that's that was August 3rd. Yeah, August 3rd. So it's been active since yesterday. All right, so this is what I am trading. I have known that the dollar was going to be weak since as early as yesterday. You can check my analysis yesterday and 2 days ago, even as of this morning. All right, I still had a press release, an article release concerning dollar and the fact that dollar was going to be weaker. So guys, this is what I do. Okay, and it's my job to ensure that you guys get the best. All right, I think the issue might have been the fact that I spoke a bit faster. All right, but I am sorry about that. I am really, really sorry about that. All right, my approach is a bit different from RJ that you guys are mostly used to. But I have asked for your apologies and your support in the beginning. Like I said, your gold trade, even if you are in a loss on gold, you have 2 trades. All right, you have 2 options. You have 2 other trades. There's EU, there's GU that you could have easily used to hedge your deficit. It's as simple as that. All right, the exact same calls. I gave 3 calls. You shouldn't crucify me if one of them doesn't go the way you expected it to. And this is the gold that we're talking about. It's in profit. This is GBP USD approaching TP3 already. This is Euro USD already touched TP1. All right, so guys, this is as simple as it comes. And I honestly want to believe that you guys are doing well. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go over the take profits once more. All right, Euro USD take profit one is 1.09849. TP2 is 1.10017, and TP3 is 1.10194. All right, and your stop loss already should be at break even on Euro USD, which is your stop loss should already be moved to your entry on Euro USD. GBP USD, TP1 already got passed, TP2 already got passed. Your stop loss is already at your entry on GU, and your take profit 3 is 1.27477. All right, 1.27477. Gold, on the other hand, all right, your stop loss should already be at your entry right now, all right, and your TP1 is 1943.26. Your TP2 is 1947.44, and your TP3 is 1951.61. And like I said, your stop loss should already be at your entry. All right, your stop loss should already be moved to your entry. So I want to say a big thank you, guys. It's been an absolute honor hosting you guys. For those who were offended by my approach, I am really sorry about that. All right, I am really sorry about that. I'm a native English speaker, so sometimes I get to speak English a lot more, a lot faster than RJ. All right, a lot faster than RJ. But I'm sorry about that. Okay. Um, like I said, the data that caused US dollar to be weaker is majorly the non-farm payrolls. All right, it's majorly the non-farm payrolls. So guys, I want to say a big thank you for joining the call. All right, for those who didn't catch it because my voice was a bit faster than you're used to, sincere apologies. I hope that next time I'll be able to speak a bit calmer. But you already know that trading the news is a high risk, high reward kind of thing. So it's something that gets my blood pumping. So I have to be, up and doing, and the adrenaline is all just there. Okay, now the reason why I didn't call TP for AUD is because I really didn't analyze it. So if you're trading AUD USD, you can simply take profit when you're satisfied. All right, you can take profit when you're satisfied. RJ speaks a lot calmer. I don't. Okay, but I am sorry about that. Wilbert, if you are offended, please let us sort this out as brothers. All right, I really don't appreciate the fact that you are insisting on attacking my person. You are saying, because your comments make it sound like I lied to you. I didn't. When you said you were caught in a bad trade on GBP US, on gold, you said you were caught in a bad trade. I told you exactly what to do. I said cut your loss and take a buy. Use the buy to edge your position. That was the clear instruction. Edge your position with the buy. You have two other trades that would have sufficed to give you good profit. Euro USD, GBP USD. So I'm struggling to understand what the issue is here. All right, but nonetheless, I want to say a big thank you to everybody who joined me on this call. It's been an absolute honor hosting you guys. I know that some of you made profit, some didn't. To those who didn't, I am sorry. You can always, there's always going to be another chance. All right, there's always going to be another chance. For those who made profit, I want to say thank you, thank me, thank everyone, thank FBS for this platform to have given you this amazing opportunity. So with that, I'm going to be signing out. My name remains Adetola Freeman. I am a Nigerian, and this is what I do. So thank you guys, and I wish you a fantastic rest of the trading day. Don't forget your stop losses should be at break even. Your take profits were already declared, all right? We're already given. So guys, I wish you all the best. Have an amazing rest of the trading day, and goodbye. God bless you. Bye-bye. And I love you guys so much.